Have you ever wondered what cloud security is? Why is it such a big deal? Today we are going to talk about cloud security, why it's super important, and how it's different from old school cybersecurity stuff. After this video, you'll understand what cloud security is all about, and you might even consider cloud security as your next role in the tech industry. Hello everyone, if you're new to my channel, my name is Sohail. I'm a cybersecurity consultant based in Australia, and I help IT professionals just like you transition into cybersecurity industry the right way in as little as 6 months. So if you want to learn how we do it, check out the link in the description below. Now, without further ado, let's dive in. While I'm not a cloud security engineer per se, I have been involved with numerous projects when it comes to cloud security. Few of those projects involved implementing next generation firewall in the cloud, designing and deploying web application firewall, and utilizing Azure Sentinel in the cloud. So today's discussion is my own hands-on experiences in the cloud, my own research and insights shared by my knowledgeable colleagues in cloud security. So what is cloud security really? At its heart, cloud security or cloud computing security refers to a set of policies, controls, procedures, and technologies that work together to protect cloud-based data, applications, and infrastructure. So it's all about securing cloud data and compliance, preserving clients' privacy, and establishing authentication rules for users and devices. So different cloud providers such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud have their own set of tools and resources to protect their cloud environment. While AWS offers services like IAM, Inspector, and things like that, Azure provides Azure Security Center, Azure Sentinel, etc. Different cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Cloud have their own set of tools and resources to secure their cloud environment. Let's say for Azure, it's maybe Azure Sentinel, their firewalls, their web application firewalls, NSG network security group, things like that. This is the same case for AWS as well, Inspector and other tools. So every platform has its own tools and resources, and for you as a cloud security engineer, it's crucial for you to understand all of them. So don't focus only on one vendor. So you have to get yourself familiarized with AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud at the same time. Now, why cloud security is so important these days? It's easy. More and more data is being stored in the cloud these days. Every company out there that you see, they have some of their data stored in the cloud, whether it's their email services or SharePoints and things like that. So it's really important for us as a cybersecurity professionals in the industry to make sure that not only the data that is stored on-prem is secure, but also the data that is secured in the cloud is also secure too. Cloud security is not just about transplanting the same traditional cybersecurity stuff in the cloud. It's a complete different technology. It's not about taking on-prem security solutions and applying the same principles into the cloud. Yes, they have some similarities, but it's a completely different technology. When you deploy a VM in Azure, for instance, you have to make sure that it's secure and your Windows VM, for instance, is not accessible to everyone on the internet. You have to make sure that RDP access is blocked by default. So these are kind of the things that everyone misses when they are deploying their VMs in the cloud. So as a cloud security engineer, you are responsible to put policies, deploy stuff in the cloud to make sure that doesn't happen. And we cannot overlook the importance of identity and access management, or IAM. When it's not done right, it's like handing over the keys of your own castle to the unknown forces out there. So it's really crucial. If this chat about cloud security was helpful for you, please hit that like button for me. I'm also making a new video with advice on how to get into cloud security and which certifications can help you with that. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you don't miss it. And that's it for today. See you later.